everyone. When I was just out doing all my little crafts with my flowers, something came. It's my ThredUP rescue box. Now some of you probably don't know what ThredUP is. It's an online thrift store. It's the largest online thrift store. And they have something called a rescue box. Now the rescue box are clothes that were damaged or were online for a really long time and no one wanted them, or maybe out of date, but for $22, and you get free shipping, so for $22 you get 10 new pieces of clothes, and you get to pick whether you want shirts or dresses, skirts, pants, whatever you want. You just let them know, and then they will put a box together for you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull some of these out. I'm going to box it right now and see what they sent me. So there'll be 10 items in here, and I gave them my size. So this is very exciting. They will deliver here in the woods, so I'm very lucky I have a mailman. Okay. Piece 1 is from Concepts. I'm not familiar with them, but it's 100% leather skirt. Suede. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just, I guess, outdated in their eyes. It has all the buttons, and it's suede, so that one's awesome. I'm keeping that one. This one, Madwell. I'm not familiar with this brand, but this is really, really cute, and zipper works. Buttons on here. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm keeping that one. The next is from Express. This is a really, really cool dress. Green is my favorite color, so this is just absolutely perfect. I'm keeping this one too. Not bad for $22 for 10 pieces. I hope that I'll like all of them. Okay, let's see this one. Another skirt, Ralph Lauren. It looks like there's a little bit of wear, but I know how to sew, and the reason I got this rescue box is because I like rescuing things, but also I am starting to make dresses, so I thought if I don't keep some of them to wear, I was going to remake them into other things. Ooh, I absolutely love this one. This one is called Little Mistress of London. I'm not familiar with that, but this is a... Ooh. I love this one. And zipper works. It doesn't look torn up at all. Wow, this is fantastic. Okay, I don't know what number I'm on, but I'm going to keep going. Okay, Polo by Ralph Lauren. This one is super cute. I wear this with a little tank top. Keeping. Okay, here's another one. I don't really know what this says, but this is another one, but it's a see-through, I guess skirt or top. No, but I love it. I'm going to keep this one too. Okay, they've done really, really good so far. Oh my goodness. Another skirt. Oh, look at all the little flowers. This is just so me. Okay. Now this. Fancy, fancy. I don't know if you can see who this is. But it's a long, beautiful pink dress, and then it goes into this color, and it feels like silk. Now this is absolutely lovely, and it doesn't seem damaged. I'm going to guess that maybe it was just on their website too long and no one bought it, but now I get to have it. Oh, I hear chickadees over there. Got a lot of birds I feed. And a lot of woodpeckers today. Okay, and here's the last piece. This has got a tag on it. It's called Who, What, Where, and it is a dress. So here's the bottom. all the pieces were amazing. For $22, you get 10 pieces, and these were all wonderful. And I only saw a little bit of problems with one of the skirts, and there was no it was no big deal. It wasn't what I thought. I thought with the rescue box I would just get like ripped up old pieces, lots of the fabric. I thought it was going to be ones that I was going to just make new stuff out of, but it was absolutely wonderful. So the company is called ThredUP. So anyone can just go to their website and go right to rescues, and then you can create your own rescue box of what kind you'd want. They do have a designer rescue box, which is $66 for 7 pieces. And I'm not sure what designer is because I haven't ordered one of those, but this is just the standard rescue box that I just ordered for $22, and I'm so happy with all of it. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to me, and I'm going to be doing videos every day. So if you're interested of what's going on in the woods, so I will see you. There's bugs going everywhere now. I better put out a citronella candle because the mosquitoes are coming. See you later.